Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt chips. First, gather your ingredients: plain yogurt, a touch of sweetener like honey or maple syrup, and any flavorings you love, such as vanilla extract or fruit puree. Next, prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper. This prevents sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. Using thick yogurt is key for perfectly formed chips. Now let's mix everything together. In a bowl, gently combine your yogurt, sweetener, and chosen flavorings until well blended. For neat and consistent chips, transfer this mixture into a piping bag. If you don't have one, a Ziploc bag with a small corner snipped off works perfectly. Pipe small, uniform dots onto your parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving a little space between each one. Once all your yogurt dots are piped, it's time for the freezer. Carefully transfer the baking sheet into your freezer, making sure it lies flat. Allow the yogurt chips to freeze for at least 1 to 2 hours, or until they are completely solid. This step is crucial for achieving that satisfying chip-like texture and ensuring they don't melt too quickly when handled. After your yogurt chips are fully frozen, gently peel them off the parchment paper. They should pop off easily. Transfer these delightful, bite-sized treats into an airtight container or a freezer-safe bag. Keep them stored in the freezer to maintain their solid form. Now you have a healthy, refreshing snack ready to enjoy whenever you crave something cool and delicious.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.